Bulldozer. Select a look you like. Red construction vehicle. Green construction vehicle. Unicorn construction vehicle. A new day has begun for the construction team. Let's take a look at the orders. These are the orders we need to complete today. Construction team, roll out! Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road. The horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa! The sheep are gone! Let's go! Mew Mew, what happened? My cargo ship tipped over and all the goods fell into the sea. Can you help me scoop them up with an excavator? No problem! The excavator is on the move! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. The goods are scattered in the water. Let's scoop them up. Wow! Thank you! You have done me a great favor! You're welcome! Construction team, mission accomplished! Order complete! Good job! Let's move on! Next order! Sheep, is there anything I can do for you? I want to build a park so I can play with my friends in it. Can you help me? Leave it to me. Bulldozer, let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Drag the bulldozer to shovel up the building. Great! Now let's put the rest buildings in the corresponding pits. Put the building in the pit with the same shape as it. Great! You've built the park! Yes! Construction team, thank you! We all like the park you built! Order complete! Good job! Let's move on! Next order! Oh no! The tree has fallen! Let's use the crane to help the tree! Tap the button to lift the tree! Great! You saved the tree! Hank, is there anything I can do for you? I want to build a Ferris wheel in the amusement park. Can you help me? No problem. Leave it to me. Let's push the dirt away and level the ground. Dig a hole for the Ferris wheel. Wow! The Ferris wheel is done! It's beautiful! Great! You've completed all the orders today! Please come back tomorrow! Unicorn Construction Vehicle! Today's work of the construction team now begins! Let's go! Bulldozer. Crane.
Kiki, help me! I'm in trouble.
What's happening?
There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems. Can you help us?
No problem. Excavator is on it. Digging, digging. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. Here is the gem. Let's start digging.
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you.
It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished. The card is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. What can I do for you, little bear? I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem. I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Crane! decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. This house is so beautiful. Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished. The work of the construction team is all done. Let's call it a day.